What are we measuring, you ask? Our brain capacity, because it took us 3 hours to do one table and one chair. Brilliant. We're up here. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a continuation of the moving vlog series. Alex and I just got in our first order of furniture from Structube. It's a smaller order, it's just office furniture, but we've actually never assembled furniture before, so Kalina is on her way over right now to help us assemble. And yeah, stay tuned. This should be fun. This should be interesting.
Okay, so today order one has come in. This is a smaller order. It's just office furniture. We got 2 white desks and an office chair. So one of the tables is going to go in here, like right there. This is going to be like a get ready room / office. And the second table is going to go up here. It's either gonna go this way or this way. And yeah, this is going to be Alex's little office.
Let's get started.
See how strong these girls are. Got it? Finally found the X-Acto knife. So satisfying. So then I got me these ice cubes and they are just, they're so big and amazing. They're everything. Here's a pop. And just a splash. Cheers. Cheers. Before we start, why are we having a glass of wine while assembling furniture, you ask? Why not? Why not? Kalina's famous line, be gone. Be gone. She said be gone. She said be gone. Guys, Structube is great. It's literally idiot proof. Every single piece is labeled and then there's like
have letters for every freaking screw. This is amazing.
The ladies are hard at work. What's your contribution? Cheers. Of course. Kalina's changed because this is a heater.
It's a heater.
It's a heater. Guys, how are we still struggling with the first piece?
I don't know.
These girls all went to university, but don't know how to put together a desk.
It's kind of moving around. Because this is like...
What a beautiful toe.
Stop.
We're tired.
Hangry.
And hangry.
She going in. She going in.
One.
Nice.
Yes, ladies. We did a lot of work. We got a lot accomplished, but it's time for a break, a snack. We're getting hangry. So we're having a brief bite to eat because we deserve it. We have avocado toast with an egg on top and a salad. And we are back at it.
Back at it.
Coming together. We're almost done and I am so excited. Chairs here. Whew. A lot of work. It's been a busy day. Okay.
Yeah, they're very tough.
We're listening to some old school Aaliyah. She is beautiful.
Testing it out. It works. Whoop. It works.
Step into my office.